Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Dhruv and my capstone project is based on Thought Tech. This is a company in which where I am working on enhancing the Splashkit online ID platform. My focus is to improve how the users will discover, create and manage games through a more structured and user-friendly system. So this is my website. This is my Splashit Game Hub ID. My website name. This company is making a project for making a game hub in which we can start the coding and explore the games with the different sections like categories, ID, dashboard, home, sign in button, uh, the notification center, our ID, the recently played games, creating new games, etc. And then again, the what is the problem statement the company is facing? Currently, the Splashkit platform allows the user to create and play games, but it lacks proper organization and discovery features. The users face difficulty in finding the game based on the interests, such as arcade, adventure, or simulation. And due to this reduces the engagement and makes the platform less initiative, especially for beginners. So I've made a section name as categories in which I filtered the different sections like arcade, adventure, simulation, puzzles, and inside that I have added the games like these are of all the arcade games, these are all the arcade, these are all the actions, these are all the simulation for solving the problem. And first of all, in the previous website there was poor navigation, and the user faced difficulty for knowing that which game is in which category. So I have made an separate screen for the categories. After that, the what is the solution to solve this problem? I propose a game categorization. This is the game categorization, which will improve the game by category, making it easier to explore and engage with the content. Initially, the platform will include features like code editor, the code which is the ID. Here we can edit the code. For example, I can edit the code by writing something else, and we can preview the game. Here is the game preview, and save and load the functionality and the user authentication. If, for example, this is in code, and if I run it, first of all, it is compiling, and here we can see the compiling the build successful. Windows open space. It is a game of space runner. It is giving a score, which is giving the level, the running. It is the preview of the game, and here is the code. We can edit the code, and here it's preview, and here it is the terminal showing that it is being running. Okay, and after that, the then the then we'll stop it. Then the key features. The key features of our project include the online code editor, that this one, or the game development, the real time game preview, and the execution, the user login and authentication. Here is the user login and authentication system, and the next is the game categorization system, where we can categorize the game according to their part, that is racing, horror, RPG, strategy, etc. And then we will come on the target users and its value. Mainly my target users are beginners, programmers, students, and aspiring the game developers. This platform provides an easy way to learn coding, build games, and share the projects. Like if I click on start coding, this window will appear. We can make our own code, we can preview it, and we can execute it. That this is the platform provide a easy way for learn codings and for building the games. And from we can also share our projects. For these are featured games which are coming, the trending the categories low for launching the IDE. If I go to dashboard, there are my projects. I can also create a new game. If I click on it, then we will forward to the IDE. This is my dashboard showing my name, how much games created, games played, achievement, total stars, creating the new games, the recently played games, and their highest score in that particular game. The value lies in improving the user engagement, simplifying the navigation, and enhancing the overall learning experience. These are the students, beginners, and game developers. And next is the technology stack. Means the platform is built using the modern web technologies, including the JavaScript, React, Node.js, and Splashit SDK, which will help us to ensure a responsive and scalable system. And so the React icons, Node.js, the JavaScript, and the Splashkit. And in the conclusion, I will say that this project enhances the Splashkit IDE by making it more user friendly. Like it is more likely more user friendly. interactive and engaging. It supports the learning creativity and gap development in a structured way. Thank you.